On today's video, we will be looking at how to replace your inner tube from your tire. 3 to 5 years to change your tubing is a good time frame to avoid any accidental damages to your tire, but in most cases, you are replacing your tube due to a flat tire. First thing you want to do is to release all of the air out of the tire that you are replacing the tube in. Then, remove the valve stem lock ring off the valve stem by spinning it off. Next, break the bead off of the tire. Continue working on breaking the bead until it's unhooked from the rim. Once this is done, grab yourself a pair of tire levers and place them underneath the bead and press down. This might take a couple of tries before finally snugging one of your tire levers into the bead. Once this is achieved, work that tire lever all the way around the tire. This will completely detach the bead off of the rim. We suggest that you know beforehand what type of rim you are using, because some rims, such as carbon ones, are best not using tire levers. Now you're ready to pull your tube out of the tire. After this, get your new tube out. First, install the tube's valve into room. Reapply your valve stem lock ring to your valve stem. Then go around all the way with the tube snugging it underneath the tire. Work the tube around to make sure it's seated in the tire all the way. Now apply air to the newly installed tube. This will help your tire to avoid pinching after you've placed the tube. You're all done replacing your new tube.